start first with Watashi wa kaire andes. Kawaii joke. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Again, it's me, Cairo Paris. Please do not forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, Signature by Paris K. Okay, so for this week's episode, let's change our topic. Dito naman tayo sa section ng food. Sobra kong na-excite na i-share sa inyo ang Ohayo gozaimasu. McDonald's Flavors of Japan. Let's start this mukbang food trip flavors of Japan from McDonald's. I will share with you guys my experience. Is it worth it? Pagiging trending nitong food na to recently in-advertise ng McDonald's. The flavors of Japan. I went to McDonald's and sobrang trending nitong bago nilang version. I think yung pagiging hype niya is it's because it's unusual or unique. Kasi ang new taste natin talaga ngayon is mostly Korean, Asian, Japanese food, in which I am one of them. Nung pumunta ako sa McDonald's, medyo mahaba na yung pila. Most of all of the people or customers or orderings, they are curious with this new flavors of Japan. Let's start na because my Sakura float is starting to melt. First one, ano bang titikman natin? Pinili ko lahat under that menu. So, iisa-isahin natin. Flavors of Japan has 2 burgers that they are featuring. One is the Ebi Burger, the Teriyaki, Samurai Burger. 2 burgers yon. Tapos, fries, they have what they call to shake fries. Plain yung fries niya. Tapos, may nori flavor. Na ilalagay mo siya dito, tapos i-shake. Flavors of Japan, 2 burgers, and then 1 flavor of fries. And then, next one is Sakura Float, very trending. So, let's start this mukbang. Natutunaw na talaga siya, best. Hindi natin ma-appreciate. And may isa pa akong binili dito, which is yung a la carte na chicken fillet.
You're late.
So, I'll be tasting these 2 burgers. Then, mamimili ako kung ano yung gusto ko or masarap for me. Then, yun yung uubusin natin. Sasabihin ko rin sa inyo yung taste niya. And bakit siya naging hype? Is it worth it? I'll start first with Ebi Burgers. Ebi Burger has fried shrimp mayonnaise. Orang siguro yung mayo may flavor. Tapos, may gulay siya. Yung itsura nung tinapay niya. Sorry guys, I'm not really specific with food. So, i-describe ko na lang sa inyo how does it look like, taste like. I'm starting to get hungry. So, lagyan na natin si Ebi Burger up ng ketchup. Sarap ba siya? Let's taste now. Guys, may shrimp siya sa loob. Fried shrimp. Yung Ebi Burger, ulitin ko ulit guys, the bread. Ito yung top bread niya. May gulay siya, tapos may mayo na parang siguro flavored din siya nung sinasabi nga nilang Ebi Burger, tapos may fried shrimp. Somehow masarap siya. Plain siya, flavor ng shrimp, seafood, fried shrimp, binalot siya sa bread na may gulay. Ganun siya, best. Tinikman ko lang muna siya, pero babalikan pa rin natin siya kung alin yung mas masarap, along with teriyaki burger. So, isang kagat siya, best. Proceed with teriyaki samurai burger. Same cover lang si Ebi Burger tsaka si teriyaki flavored burger. It features Japan food. So, let's now open it. Pag binuksan natin siya, ganito itsura niya, best. Same lang nung top bread. Tapos, meron din siyang, eto nakapati siya. This Ebi Burger is parang dry siya na finried yung shrimp. Tapos may gulay and mayo na Ebi flavored. This one is patty. Hindi siya seafood, but rather beef. Tapos meron siyang leafy vegetables. Tapos meron brown sauce. Let's taste it. Itong teriyaki samurai burger, somehow it's parang naghahalo or nagko-combine yung taste ng sweet to parang salty niya. Yung lasa niya, alam niyo yung lasa ng teriyaki sauce. Parang yun siya na hinalo dun sa patty, which it includes as well yung leafy vegetables and also the bread. For me guys, mas masarap yung teriyaki samurai burger than the ebi burger. Why? Kasi para sa akin na, since I really do love Asian food like Korean and Japanese food, mas nag-enjoy ako dito sa teriyaki burger, which is hindi siya dry pag kinain, not like this one, which is my opinion lang naman. The ebi burger is parang siya fried siya, tapos shrimp. I'm allergic with seafood, and eating seafoods, nagkakaroon talaga ako ng allergy like rashes, ganun. So, mas more on fan ako ng beef, chicken. Alisin na lang natin yung allergic with seafoods. Kung wala ako nun, ang pipiliin ko is ito pa din, yung teriyaki samurai burger. Yeah, delicious. Masarap talaga siya. So, ito yung mauubos ko talaga best. Yan. Maubos ko na siya. Next one is the Sakura float. So, matutunaw na siya. I think, ewan ko ha, para siyang Sprite. Packaging niya, it has parang design ng cherry blossoms. Parang wala naman siya best na dust or any other na flower shape na lumulutang-lutang. It's just normal or plain. Para siyang Sprite na in color of light pink tapos may float. Let's taste it. Buksan ko na lang. Natunaw na yung ice cream niya. Wala naman siyang kahit anong design. It's just a normal float na Sprite. Then, light pink yung color niya. Oh, taste. Sa akin guys, this Sakura float is also delicious. Yung lasa niya guys, para siyang Sprite na may in flavor of cherry. So, medyo natunaw lang siya, pero nakahabol pa naman tayo best. Next one is the fries. A bag of shake fries. Regular fries lang siya, tapos lalagyan natin siya ng nori flavor. Nakalagay dito, nori Japanese seaweed flavor. So, buksan na natin siya. Ang amoy niya guys, amoy parang range smell siya ng wasabi. Basta amoy Japanese food. Yung color niya para siyang sour cream. It's also delicious. Gusto ko rin siya, yung nori fries nung Flavors of Japan of McDonald's. Lasa siyang parang wasabi na in light version. So, gusto ko to. Fan talaga ako ng mga Asian food. And sa akin, masarap siya. Busin ko lang din ito. And guys, busog na ako. Time for the review of this food from McDonald's. So for the performance of this McDonald's Flavors of Japan, for me, worth it. Worth it because masasabi mo talaga siyang pasok dun sa flavor ng Japanese food. Though yung sa fries is powder lang, but still, nakuha niya yung lasa. Parang wasabi flavor siya na light. And I love it. Check siya sa akin. It's very delicious. And also the burgers. Though, mas gustuhan ko yung teriyaki burger. Lasa siyang parang teriyaki sauce. Per patty lang siya, tapos may bread and vegetable. It's very yummy. I love it. So, worth the price also. Ebi burger, it's also okay lang naman. Sa akin, middle rate lang siya. Because, hindi talaga ako fan ng gano'n na parang dry food na shrimp na pinrito or fried. So, I think baka yung mga seafood lovers is magugustuhan din siya. But, among those two is talagang pick ko yung teriyaki burger. The Sakura float, Sprite in flavor of cherry. So, yan yung design nga kasi niya, cherry blossoms. Yun yung team concept nitong drink na to. For me, it's still pasok dun sa price. Sa akin, it's really worth it for the performance of the food, the quality of the food. Now, I know why it's in hype word. Fast food siya, but still, there's a kick of Japan taste. Sa akin, check na check. Masarap siya. If I were asked if I will buy it again, my answer is yes. The performance quality of the food, relate it with price. Andun yung pagiging affordable niya kasi specialized food flavor siya. But, syempre, if you compared it and eating sa mga restaurants, somehow pricey. Burger lang and fries cost ng 200 to 300 Philippine peso. And it's burger, fries, and float alone. For me kasi, ang binayaran dito, flavor specialization. Very perfect siya sa kung manonood ka ng movies, para maiba naman, to satisfy yourself. Packaging, konting Japan-inspired, somehow simple. Just to summarize the result of this flavors of Japan of McDonald's, if I were asked to buy again, my answer is yes. Plus, is this worth the hype? For me, it's yes. That's my comment about this in purchasing or tasting this product for the very first time. How about you guys? Natikman nyo na ba yung flavors of Japan ng McDonald's? If you have any comments, I am open to make conversations with you. Hurry and taste it. That's all for this mukbang episode number 1 for the food category. Please do not forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, Signature by Paris K. Thank you for watching. More food tips pa.
ありがとうございました。